Today we are taking a closer look at the recently released Nanalysis Analytical edition in KnowItAll, featuring the first ever Wiley Benchtop NMR reference libraries for 60 and 100 MHz, developed in collaboration between Wiley and Nanalysis. The software starts on the browser landing page, where you'll find notes on updates, upcoming events, and the latest news. Before diving in, check License Edition to ensure the Nanalysis Analytical edition is active. This loads the full suite of analytical tools and templates. To streamline your workflow, you can create your own application groups. Here we set up a dedicated NMR group for keeping my most frequently used tools on top. Within this group, several applications support a complete NMR workflow. Process It for processing the NMR spectra, Search It for identifying single compounds or mixtures, Mine It for building user databases or accessing Wiley's reference libraries. Opening the reference libraries in Mine It reveals clean, information-rich tables. You can browse the reference spectra alongside key metadata such as solvent, spectrometer frequency, UPAC name, CAS registry number, chemical structure, and more. Then we have Report It for generating publication-ready reports, ChemWindow for molecular structure drawing, Trend Finder, a new PCA tool for exploring hidden patterns and trends across datasets, and Predict It for predicting proton, carbon, and other NMR spectra. Let's move to a practical example using a proton NMR spectrum acquired on an Analysis 100. Our raw data in JChemDX format is a single file and can be opened easily by drag and drop. Once loaded into Process It, you'll see the raw FID. You can process the spectrum manually or automate the workflow with a macro. For the manual processing, we apply zero filling, add exponential line broadening, including Fourier transformation, run automatic phase correction with Wiley's good look algorithm, apply baseline correction, and within seconds you have a clean spectrum. For routine work or database creation, macros are extremely helpful. Let's reload the data, run the macro, and the spectrum is fully processed in one click. To identify the substance, transfer the processed spectrum to Search It. The software automatically selects Proton NMR Spectrum Search. To select the database to search in, choose your own library or Wiley's 60 and 100 MHz Nanalysis Benchtop NMR reference libraries. With over currently 360 spectra available and yearly updates, you can search one or both simultaneously, depending on your preference and of course your instrumentation. For a single compound search, select Correlation Classic, enable optimized corrections for peak shift tolerance, limit the hit list to 5 for speed and clarity. This search reveals ibuprofen as the top match with a high HQI score. The overlay view shows your query spectrum in blue and the reference in red, while the right panel displays structural and experimental details. With one click, transfer the results to Report It, choose a landscape template, and KnowItAll generates a clean, ready-to-share report featuring the superimposed spectra, HQI values of the search result, compound properties, and database source information. You can customize the search results table by adding columns like CAS registry number and save your preferred layout as a preset. KnowItAll also excels at mixture analysis. After processing, transfer the spectrum to Search It. Select Mixture Search. I like to use correlation as the search method. Residual solvent or impurity peaks can be excluded to optimize the search. The display profile for the search results can be chosen here to receive the results in the preferred view. In this example, the mixture is resolved as acetaminophen and caffeine with an HQI above 80. You can inspect each compound individually or view the composite spectrum, which combines the reference spectra at scaled intensities, which provides a very intuitive way to visually confirm the match. The residual highlights any unexplained signals, helping verify that the mixture is fully resolved. Finally, transfer the composite and individual hits to Report It. The mixture analysis template presents the query spectrum, the composite fit, each corrected component spectrum, HQI values, and estimated ratios. The result is a clear, professional report, ready for documentation, collaboration, or regulatory submission. For more information, please contact sales@nanalysis.com.